Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you this quick little project I made with the paper Spring Awakenings from Country Craft Creations. This is a design team project. I also did some Easter egg treat holders using this paper, and I'll put a link in the description box so you can go check it out. This was just a quick project using some of the leftover paper. This is not a chipboard mini album. I just used some artisan cardstock and layered up a lot of different cardstock just to make it a little strong. Of course, it's got this seam binding closure. This is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's got, I think it's 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches spine. I made these flowers just by die cutting some of the leftover paper. I had this was a die cut, and I had a couple of pieces, and I just sort of folded it as a fan and added that to the little flower grouping. I've tried to recreate a grouping like this. So let's take you inside. So it's a very springy thing. It could be Easter, but inside I've got this little folder. So you could put a couple of small photos or a small photo and journal about it. There are these adorable cut-aparts in the collection, and I put one of the cut-aparts, I backed it on some white cardstock and put it there. My heater just went on, so if you hear noise, that's what it is. So this page opens, and here's another one of those adorable cut-aparts. So this will open like that, and then this comes down like that. So lots of room, and obviously it's a magnetic closure. This is a cut apart. No, this was from one of the pages, but I just thought it was real pretty, and that's the same design as the front without the flowers. Oh no, it's got the flowers. What's missing? I guess where it says Spring Awakenings. So anyhow, I took one of the cut aparts and put it down here, still giving you room to journal and room for some 4x6 photos or a couple of 3x3 or 4x4 photos. So this is where it lends itself to Easter because there's an adorable Easter basket. And love this vintage image. Actually, this is part of that image over here with those beautiful Easter eggs. So it's pretty green too. That would have worked for St. Patrick's Day. Here's the bunnies on this paper, and it's got some eggs and some, I think they're called cabbage roses, and a little cut apart down there. But this will open like that, so room for a photo, room for photos there, and it opens yet 2 more times to give you ample space to put those pictures. Now I matted this one, and this is a pocket. Why did I not put anything in the pocket? I don't know. But anyhow, there's a pocket so you can add some more cut aparts. And then this, by the way, is open, so you could put a photo here and just tuck it in there, or just tuck in whatever you want into there. This is a very pretty image. This one opens up this way and gives you room to put your photos. And this is dimensional. It says Spring Bloom. And I know I had a sheet. You could stick a... How could I have not had any scraps of paper? You can stick a photo in here, well, of the right size, and add a photo there if you wanted to, but if not, those lilies are very pretty. And then we'll take you to the back, just that pretty pattern paper. There's the side, and here we are back to the front. Just was a quick and easy mini album that I made. I guess it's a mini album. Oh, I wanted to point out, so I put, these pages are just done just by scoring the paper. I guess some people will call it an L page. You know, there's a 1/2 inch piece here, and I just simply cut this blue paper and tacked it under there, so it sort of hides some of the just hides the tab that would be under there. I just thought that was fun to do. So there you go, Spring Awakenings, another great paper collection from Country Craft Creations. And that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.